Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon buns. Let's begin. To start on the dough, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your bread flour along with the salt and give it a brief mix just to incorporate the two. You can then go ahead and add in the remaining ingredients, which are the sugar, the milk powder, your egg, your yeast, your butter and the water. You can then go ahead and mix that on a low speed to start with for roughly 2 minutes, and then mix on a high speed for 6 minutes, so 8 minutes in total, and by the end you should have a soft but smooth dough. So once your dough has done mixing, you will then want to take some bread flour and generously flour your work surface. Then place your dough on top, giving it a good knead, working in some of that flour to stop the dough being so sticky if it is sticky, and just to help it become smooth and elastic. Once it's smooth and elastic, you can then take a lightly oiled bowl and place the dough into it, covering it with cling film and leaving it to prove for somewhere for around an hour until doubled in size. After about an hour, the dough should be well proofed. As you can tell, it was a warm day here, so I left mine outside to proof. Then you'll want to flour your surface with some bread flour and place the dough onto it again, knocking the dough back. That's just a process of removing the gases that have built up during the first proof. Then you can start to bring your dough back into a ball shape and place that onto your scales and get a total weight, and divide that amount by 12, and then start to scale your dough off at what the weight says. I can't remember what it was, but I will leave it in the blog post more than likely. And then once you've done that, you can start to scale them off and round them off, making sure that you keep the dough covered so the dough doesn't skin over. Once you've got all of your dough balls, you can place them onto a baking tray, leaving a space in between each one, so then when they proof up, they may batch, and that's completely normal, don't worry. You will then want to take some cling film and loosely cover the balls of dough and leave them for around half an hour to 45 minutes, or until they have proofed well and they are doubled in size, as you can tell right here. You can then place them into a preheated oven and bake them off. All that information will be in the blog post down below. Then you can start to make your whipped cream filling. So into a mixing bowl, place your whipped cream along with your icing sugar and vanilla extract. Then you can start to whip it or whisk it on a medium-high speed until the cream starts to thicken and hold its shape. Being careful not to over whisk the cream, otherwise it will become granular and won't have a very nice mouthfeel. So to make the icing on top, it's just icing sugar and lemon juice or water, and you want a thick but spreadable consistency, and that's what you're looking for. And here are what the buns look like once they are out of the oven. So when it comes to finishing the buns, I always find putting the icing on top is the first thing I do, as the icing will set and it's not so messy when you go to put the cream in. If you do it the other way around, it just doesn't work very well. Then you can take your whipped cream, which you've been palazed, into a piping bag. You can fit it with a nozzle, just pipe a nice looking bit around the edge, and then just fill the centre with some more cream and the lemon curd. Close it and you're done. And then you'll want to repeat that. Here's a better look at what I've just done. So you pipe like a border, then you pipe a swirl in the middle, filling it with lemon curd, and then you're done. That's a lemon bun. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with a confectionery video, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the links in the description. There'll be a link to this blog post directly for this recipe, my blog, and all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. I do post on Instagram more, and I am working on Twitter a little bit more, so go and follow me on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.